I got an assignment to draw a portrait and feel like sharing the process with you guys. Enjoy! I start with a pencil sketch. The biggest challenge for me in portrait drawing is maintaining proper proportions. For that reason, I draw on an angled board so that I face the sheet of paper properly. One must constantly measure angles and distances between different parts of the sketch. If even small amounts of measurement are wrong, it will be a totally different person on the portrait. At this point, I'm not certain yet whether I will make the whole portrait pencil or use any other techniques. I add strokes carefully, checking on the reference constantly. When I'm almost done with the sketch, I feel that it requires inking. This is what comes next. I use several fine liners for this job. I'm still not sure whether I will color the portrait with watercolor afterward, so I perform some shading, but carefully. I use my brush fine liner for hair and in order to make the cap and the collar fluffy. Drawing untidy hair is rather a challenge, at least for me. I want to shade the coat, but while doing so I realize that painting over the inked portrait afterwards is due for sure. So I am applying some small details and final shading and preparing for colors. I'll let you on a secret. This portrait is created on a paper perfect for pencil sketches, but not very suitable for watercolor. This is why I have to be careful and under no circumstances allow big washes that will wrinkle the paper and make it unusable. This is why I'm working with a flat synthetic brush that holds very little water, and the paint dries very quickly because of that. As usual with watercolor, I add paint layer by layer, very carefully, to not wet the paper too much. As I mentioned before, it's not a watercolor paper. I am adding the white of snowflakes using white gouache. As a final touch, adding little shades here and there. Signing the complete work, and the portrait is done. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. It helps the channel grow. See you next time.